To change the color of your text, select the text layer in the Layers panel, click on the Color and Details tab, and choose any of the available colors for your design. You can rotate your text design manually in the Preview area by clicking and dragging in the middle handle of the bounding box. If you want your text layer to have a precise angle, head over to the Transform tab and add it there. You can use the Preview area to adjust the position of your text. Alternatively, you can switch to the Position tab and use the alignment icons to set a precise placement for your caption. When repositioning multiple text layers, keep in mind that they can't overlap. To make your custom text wrap around the other elements in your design, switch to the Arc tab and use the slider tool or set a precise value to give your text an upward curve. To make your text stand out, head to the Outline tab, where you can add a colored outline to your custom text. Now that you've mastered all the customization options for embroidered text design, have fun creating your next best-selling products.